Thrive Life Sisters.
And at Christmas time, we like to make some special treats that are healthy and bad. Right?
And bad.
So we're going to do that today, and we wanted to show you some things that we came up with that would be fun and tasty.
We like to Thrivealize our treats, and so we're going to show you what we do.
Okay, so we're going to... You have an itchy nose?
No, I need to sneeze.
Oh.
Okay, we're going to bring this a little bit closer.
So you can see
what
we've done.
Well,
okay, maybe come close.
okay. Okay.
All right, so what we've done here is we have some amazing little treats, and it's all been dipped in chocolate. So we have pretzels here that have been dipped in crushed mango. And so we have a little bit of chocolate, and then we dipped it in we took the pretzel, we dipped it in the chocolate, and then we rolled it in our crushed berries. We did the same with cranberries with white chocolate, and that's really tasty. So it adds a little bit of salt and sweet. And then we've got
bananas.
Just plain banana. Okay. There we go. So we've got the banana dipped. We've got it in the white chocolate, and we've got it in the light chocolate as well. And then here down below, as you can see, we've just did a few little ornamental...
Say each of the things we have. Bananas, peaches, strawberries, pineapple, apples, raspberries, and mangoes.
These are the organic mangoes.
So and then we just have our 3 different little chocolate containers there. And then we have, those are all the fruits that we ended up putting in there, and some of them are crushed. Okay, so we're going to show to dip what we were doing to dip it. Annie, you're going to do that.
So here's a banana. And we're just going to dip it in our chocolate. And we're just going to place it down. We're going to do peach with dark chocolate. So easy. And then we're going to do the strawberry and the white chocolate. And each of these can be done, and then you can do a few sprinkles if you want on them. We can even dip them. So let's try that one. We'll do it in the light chocolate again. But let's dip it with the cranberries. And there you go. You've got a nice little option. Let's do the apple. And we can dip it in the... Oop. There we go. And we can dip it with another fruit. And then let's do this one here. And let's do this one in the dark. There we go. And if you want, we can even just fancy it up. We can grab a little bit of the dark and fancy it up. There we go. So, those are our little Christmas treats. So, just another little option for Christmas time, so you have a good, healthy and bad at the same time.
Right? Yes. So hope this makes your Christmas a little bit easier. Remember to
share,
like, and follow.